This is Thursday's dictation, so we are in September now. So you need to write the 2nd, because it's the 2nd of September today. You write 2/9, that is the 9th month of the year, /2020. Make sure you have dictation as your title. As always, capital letters, full stops, one finger space, and use your eyes to check you're happy with the word. Neat writing. Okay, the first is actually a question. How many sisters and brothers do you have? How many sisters and brothers do you have? So there's 8 words. We will break it down. How many? Sisters and brothers. It'll take you a while to write. You can put me on pause if you like. How many sisters and brothers do you have? Remember, it's a question. Second one is a statement. Let us make a cake for dinner. So we've got a couple of rhyming words in there. Let us make a cake for dinner. 7 words. First 4 are. Let us make a cake for dinner. Now you will notice that make and cake rhyme. So if you can spell make, you can spell cake. Let us make a cake for dinner. And we're done.